Okay friends, so let's see the NCERT textbook class 9th mathematics chapter 7 triangle. In this we are going to see the solution of exercise 7.1 and here we are going to discuss question number 2 of this exercise. In this the given thing is ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equals to BC. What is given? AD is equals to BC is given, means AD is this side, is equals to BC means this side. AD is equals to BC and angle DAB, DAB means this angle, DAB is equals to angle CBA means this angle, CBA, right? These two things are equal given in this, then prove that. There are three things we have to prove. We are going to prove. First, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC and BD is equals to AC. Afterwards, we are going to prove angle ABD is equals to angle BAC. So, let us see the friends proof of this question. Proof of this question, how to prove and what is the congruency criteria we are going to use in this, right? So as in quadrilateral ABCD, since in quad ABCD, what is given? AD is equals to BC, AD is equals to BC and angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. These two angles are equal. Then first it is asking in triangle ABD and triangle BAC. Okay, so let us consider these two triangles and compare. Now in triangle this ABD and in second triangle ABC, these two triangles we are going to compare. ठीक है, दोनों ट्रायंगल कंपेयर करने जा रहे हैं. So in ABD means this triangle, in ABD this side and in CBA these sides are equal. AD is equals to BC. Since AD is equals to BC, why it is equal? It is given this AD is the side of this triangle and this BC is the side of this triangle. क्यों equal लिखा इसको हमने? Because which is given here in these two figures. Okay. Now AD is equals to BC, this side is equals to this side, and this angle of this triangle means angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. Okay, and angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. CBA. It is also given. It is also given in the question, right? चलो, दोनों ही triangle of both the triangles, one sides to the corresponding sides and one angles to the corresponding angle. Let us think about this third part, which is side. Is this side is common in both? Okay. So in this triangle ABD is AB equals to, in this triangle it is BA. Why? Because this side is common side. Now dear friends, let's think about these two triangles. What are they equal? There are one side, one angle and other side. So if two sides and included angle of the first triangle are equal to the two sides and included, means corresponding two sides and included angle of the second triangle, then both the triangles are said to be congruent by side angle side congruence rule. Okay, therefore you can say that what triangle DAB is triangle ABD. If you are starting with ABD is congruent to, कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया आपने? ए से. ABD इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू, तो अभी इसमें बी से स्टार्ट करोगे. किससे? BAC, ट्रायंगल BAC, बिकॉज इट गिव्स यू द corresponding parts by side angle side congruence rule. Right friends? Okay, as these two, this is your first part is completed. This first part हमने prove कर दिया. Now let us move in the second part. So as these two triangles are congruent, so we know that their corresponding parts are equal also. So therefore BD is the second and third letter of first triangle. So you have to take the second and third letter of second triangle also. Means BD is equals to AC. BD is equals to AC. Reason by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Right? It is the second part of in this. ये इसका क्या है? Second part. Now let us think about the angle B of this triangle. Means angle ABD. First, second, third. Angle ABD will be equals to angle BAC of this triangle. BAC. This is also by CPCT. CPCT you can say. This is also by CPCT. You can say. This is the third part in this. Right students? If you know that, if you can prove the congruent triangles, so by corresponding parts, these two parts are also equals, which were asked there in second and third part of this question. Right friends? Any confusion?